Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Silverado LT double cab four-wheel drive, stock number X119B. Low miles, only 16,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, semi-white in color. The Silverado was previously GM certified, so you do receive the balance of that certified warranty. Seat 6, cloth interior. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Matching fiberglass cap. Z71 off-road suspension package. Includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Heavy-duty trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Integrated trailer brake control, and shift on the fly four-wheel drive with auto setting. Again, only 16,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats, cup holders and storage in the armrest, up and all the way for a middle passenger with even more storage below, and dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Home link transmitter for garage door opener, and sliding rear window control. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon and a city average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on the Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.